What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So what I got going on today is I bought quick release, a hub, quick release, and a steering wheel. It's all right here. So I got the steering wheel right here, Sparco. A quick release right here, and then a hub right here. So I'm gonna install it today. I already took off the, disconnected the battery, opened the little panels, and I'm about to disconnect the airbag so the shit don't pop in my face. And then I'll start unscrewing shit, and yeah. Alright, so I just disconnected the airbag. Now I gotta take off these bolts right here. It's I believe it's a T30. Second one. Alright, after this I think it should come out. There we go, like so. I think the horn is still attached. Or no, actually it's just the airbag was connected to the wire. There it is, it's off. Alright, put that one to the side. Alright, so what we got here. So one feature I really like about the steering wheel is the cruise control. I love my cruise control. Unfortunately, upon doing this, I will be disconnecting it, which kind of sucks. But I am gonna try to figure out a way to get it back on here in the aftermarket steering wheel. I can see there's like a little bracket right there that just holds it. And then this is, I'm assuming, it's cable that runs to this, that runs into here. So I'll have to figure something out. For now, I'm just gonna disconnect a couple things here. That, disconnect. Well, come on. Disconnect that one. There we go, and then boom. So now, to take off the whole wheel itself, is this 14mm bolt that's right here in the center. But before that, I do want to make sure that the steering wheel is center, which I did. I made sure. So it's center. So let's go ahead and take that bolt off. And while I take that bolt off, I think I have to be holding the wheel itself, because if not, that is gonna move and it's gonna fuck everything up. So alright, upon further inspection, I found out that in order to, because this is an NRG short hub, as you can see, so in order to install this one, I have to take off this reel. So this is the SRS reel, which holds basically almost everything. The horn, the cruise control, and then the airbag, but obviously no airbag, so we're gonna take it off. So I was disconnected it, got this, there was a connector right here they disconnect. I got that one out, and then I was trying to get this one out. It wouldn't budge, so I followed it, and it's one of the yellow ones where you like pull back, and that one's like back here, right where that white tab is. It was connected to that one. So I'm having to do all this because I have a short hub. So if you do not have a short hub, you're not gonna need to do all this. I got a short hub, so I'm having to do it. So now I'm just gonna put everything back, and should be dandy, good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and put on this short hub. It goes like this. Alright, everything is on. Now let's see how it looks on the wheel. You guys, so there it is installed. I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about this. I don't know, for now I'm just gonna leave it, like fuck it, whatever. I was trying to get this done for a show I got going on, but more than likely maybe I don't know when. I have to look. I'll change it out. I do want to get seats as well, but we'll see, because I was also looking at I think Recaro was one that I was looking at. Who was it? I forgot who I was looking at, but I was looking at Recaro for some seats. But yeah, if not, I'll stick with the Sparco. See what they got. I know Recaro has quite a bit of an options. I think it's Recaro. I'm not exactly sure who it was. I forgot, but I know there's a C manufacturer out there I want to get. But anyways, thank you guys. Like always, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.